Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. I'm going to do a quick review on an install of some LED lights that I got sent for the YJ. This online store, it's called BESURE. It's a BESURE official store, and I'll put a link to that in the description. They sell LED headlights for all kinds of, for various different vehicles, CJs and YJs and JKs and that sort of thing. Since I happen to have a YJ on hand, those are the headlights that I'm going to install. So I'm going to walk through that, unboxing these real quick. Should be pretty painless. About the only thing you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver to get the old headlights out and kind of get some adjustments made. And let's tackle it. And there you have it. Pretty easy to install. They work really well. They look a lot better than the originals do. This is my first time using LED headlights on anything. And I ran into some challenges. As you saw, the one on this side kind of flickered a little bit. It had nothing to do with the lights themselves. The wiring in this old Jeep is really manky, and so I ran into some issues there. That connector's a little messed up. And then just the physical placement of the lights, trying to get them, I still need to adjust them and that sort of thing. But I wanted to get them installed and make sure they work, and they work great. Like I said, I'll put a link to the BESURE store in the description, and go check them out. If you're looking for LED lights for Jeeps or other vehicles, see what they've got. That's my dog. Thanks for watching. Thanks to my subscribers. You guys help me grow the channel. Y'all have a great day. Bye.